these are, again, like a kind of like really, your interests or your skills are really all over the place. Private equity analyst, another one of your credits on Facebook.
Animalistic or philosophy where there's this, the feel, the spirit, where the empathy sort of emanates, and they can feel the spirit and the soul of the plant.
Yeah, and like
You can make without any sort of foreknowledge. Impulsivity and intuition are often used interchangeably and out of context, but they are mutually exclusive. Clarification. Intuition is predicated on a...
Not just these subject in and of itself, but science overall methodology, how it goes about to process stuff.
Yeah,
aspect of linguistic disparity. The second book was called The Cross-Platforming Between Mutually Exclusive Domains, where I'll study different disciplines and find commonalities they share from an analogical.
When you unravel it, you can't ever get to a center. It's a
Right.
Mobius strip of interest.
Right, I mean,
Down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.